Oh, I like this color. I like this color a lot, actually. I'm trying to grab the link so I can send it to the Discord. Can you guys hear me? Yep. As long as I'm getting some service going. As long as I'm getting some service going. What is up, everybody? Thanks for hanging out. We're trying to get everything rolling off the bat. So great news. We hit over 1,000 subs. So I just wanted to say thank you off the bat. We're actually at 1,042, I think, something like that, which is crazy, ridiculously crazy. So I just want to say thank you guys. It looks like YouTube will have me monetized this weekend, depending of course on how well the live streams go, but with just how the last month has been, I'm on track for it this weekend. So you guys are ridiculous. I really appreciate that so much. Today's gonna be a good day, James. Good morning, my man. But yeah, I'm gonna play. I'm playing Lowe's right now. You guys know I picked it up. Let's take a toke of the CBT right now. Promising the pre-market. I'm just kind of reading the Discord. Just everybody saying good morning to each other. Life savings. I'm just reading the Discord. Yeah, all right, so I'm caught up to everything. Just wanted to keep that in mind. There's going to be a handful of, messages that I get. So I'm going to try to stay with you guys. Lowe's and Apple, is that what you're watching today, Michael? Come hang out live. So viewers today. All right, so my plays are ARC. Yes, I like ARC a lot, Michael. I really like ARC. I think they're great. I'm just sending some messages. They are pumped. Yeah. I'm just sending a couple of messages. Morning. What's up, Josh? Good morning. What's up, Pete? Good morning, my man. And like I said, Michael, good morning to you, Lowe's and Apple. I'm excited. Yeah, there's a couple people who are just messaging me about the Discord. Right now, always right at market open. Long-term investments. I'm just trying to keep everything as smooth and quick as possible. Trying to keep everything as smooth and quick. What's up, Odie? So the expiration that I'm doing for Lowe's is September 11th and then also September 18th. So, yo, Chris said. Tatir said, morning, boys. Let's take some moolahs. What's up, Tatir? James said, I'm looking at Docu and Zoom with its earnings. Yeah, Zoom. I'm really interested in Zoom today as well. Now, but yes, I do like Zoom today. What's happening? Odie with the what's happening? We're just hanging out. So yeah, check those out for sure, my man. Like if you're looking at entering Lowe's, I mean, I have mine till the 11th, right? So, and I got my stop loss and stuff if it gets bad, but the delta for me was 48 and my theta is only 0.12. 48, yeah, 0.48 in the, so like I'm pretty happy with my position. I mean, I'm down 7%, but that's okay. Good morning, Poseidon. Thanks for hanging out, my man. Yeah, I like Intel. I might actually move it up from November 20th. Is there a November 6th on it? Tuned in, Pier Fish again. What is up, my man? Oh no. my stock market portfolio. No, I'm just kidding. Everything's good. It's Robinhood glitching out. Apple's already up $2 in the pre-market, which equates to like 100 billion, I think. Trying to figure that out. But what is happening, everybody? I'm curious to see how everything's going to open. Lowe's is at 165.50, which I think is even lower. No, that's right where it closed on Friday. I couldn't remember. Sqaure, I'm looking at today, guys. I'm also going to watch the airlines this week, but SPY is going to be interesting. But you guys know Monday's crazy, right? Oh, it's just the 20th so far. What was the one I was looking at then? It might have been October at this point. Because I like the October play a lot, Chris. I really do. I like the November and October play. And it's just like because Intel finally started getting some traction going. But yeah, I really want to play it long, right? I want to get it to where it's at least October. Like I wouldn't play this stock in September. And if I played it in October, I'd probably do like October 12th. The 5250 call is only 161. So that's why I'm like pretty into this play too. I mean, it's not super expensive. Yeah, dude, my Robinhood account's completely glitching out too. This is super weird. I mean, my calls and stuff are moving, but at first it's like it says I'm down 51% all time because I have Apple and Tesla, even though even though the stocks have split. I wonder what these premiums on Tesla are looking like. If they're cheap or like, dude, they're probably in the hundreds range, guys. Oh yeah, like 2,000. Oh my gosh, dude, Tesla's so affordable now. This is crazy. I mean, of course, I don't know if they're gonna move like they used to, but man, those premiums, and I bet the Apple premiums are cheap too, like on the low. So we always let Mondays shake out, guys, remember? So it's important to at least wait 15 minutes before entering on Monday because last Monday and the Monday before, it went up, and then 15 minutes later started to come down, go sideways before it figured itself out. But man, these Apple premiums, look how affordable. Oh, guys, let's go. All right, Chris said it just shows the 20 so far. Yo, boys, what's up, Blake? Yeah, beside my Robinhood's glitched out too, my man. Adam said good morning. So good morning, Adam. I knew Robinhood was going to be bugging. Yep, it is, and it still doesn't seem to be fixed on my end. My Lowe's call is doing really good though. Pretty happy with it. How long? Yeah, I got that for a while. So yeah, Facebook's kind of hanging out, but yeah, we always give on Mondays, especially. I give the first 15 minutes to a minimum before I enter a position because, dude, this is a hectic time, hectic market. So I'm curious to see how stuff works. But we got a couple stocks lifting off out of the gate. Like Netflix is up, AMD's up, FedEx is up. But then we also have stocks down, even SPY's down this morning from where it opened. But it's only been 2 minutes. You don't even have a watch list right now, Poseidon. What's up, Lena? Thanks for hanging out. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, we're gonna keep everything on the watch list. But let's watch. I'm gonna. You got it. You got it. So yeah, we'll let the market shake out as always. My Lowe's call is doing really well. I'm only down 3% all time. Zoom already ripped, bro. Are you kidding me? It already ripped today? Oh my gosh. Whew. I wonder if it's going to keep ripping. I kind of want to enter, but I just don't want it to go sour. This is insane. Oh, you're up on your one Zoom call? Oh my gosh, Lena. Yeah, you're going to secure the profits. I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Well, let's see if Zoom, because I want to play their earnings with everybody, but I want to play it further out. So let me look at Zoom as well. Watching too much TikTok. Oh man, TikTok's great. Like I said, I love TikTok. A lot of people don't. I love TikTok. It's great. You'll re-enter with everyone. Sounds great. That sounds like a great plan. Because I'm looking at Zoom for like September, right? September 25th. So I don't get theta clapped. Yes, James, that's a well, if you sell then buy. No. If you buy and sell in the same day, but you can sell something and then rebuy something and it won't count as a day trade. But if you buy something and sell something in the same day, and I mean, if it does, just be like, Logan, you were wrong, but I should be correct for how much I do it. Should be okay. Got it. You got it. Yeah, my Lowe's is doing pretty solid. I like where it's hanging out, especially with home builders getting clapped right now. DPST's down today. SPY's down under 350. So maybe we see a dip to enter SPY soon, but I'm going to wait for my candles. Square's up to 157.38. So they ripped to the moon off the rip. But, you know, at 9:30, they were only really up like 20 cents because they were up so much in the pre-market, right? So we'll keep an eye on them. AMD also mooned, which is great for AMD. I mean, they're up like 60 cents right now today. But yeah, I'm really digging Lowe's. I like the pattern. It had a great open. So let's just see, you know, what happens to it. But I have it for 2 weeks. Not nervous at all about it. I really just need DPST to make up for some. Wow, my Robinhood's still glitched. So I'm down 52% all time, but I'm not. It's so goofy. Yeah, Pete, Square is crushing it. So good entry on Friday. They were up in the pre-market like $1.50 or something. So dude, I'm really liking this new split market, like with Apple split, with all the other ones. And then I also have Thinkorswim pulled up so I can do some charting. But starting tomorrow, I'm going to switch the live streams from just being on my face to being on the charts so that we can watch the charts together. I just got to see if I can flip it from the charts to my face if I want to like get in depth and talk. So this is it for now, but we're going to be, you know, on another level pretty soon. What is okay, SPY. I'm just gonna watch SPY so I know the overall position of the market, but I think we could have a dip coming soon. I might enter it within like 10 minutes. I just think we're gonna have one of those like sell-off mornings like Mondays are, and then SPY finds a dip. Bars, should we get in on Apple call? I'm not going to play Apple today. I'm going to watch. My whole goal for Apple this week is for me to monitor them. I just want to see how the premiums move. I don't want to enter into something blindly. Even if there's gains on the table this week, I'm not going to enter into anything blindly without knowing how the premiums work first. And since I've been, you know, you kind of know what to expect when you play Apple, right? Because I've been playing them like every single week for the past 4 months. And this will be the first week I do not play them because I got to get comfortable with them. I want to watch them shake out. So that's just my opinion. James said, okay, I'm going to secure my Zoom and re-enter for earnings. That's what I'm doing, man. I want to enter on earnings. It's just the premiums are expensive. But if we hit it or have enough time that Zoom can just rebound. But if we hit earnings, it's over. It's game over this week. TikTok might announce a deal as soon as Tuesday, Adam said. Okay, yeah, I'm excited to see. I know people are going to be getting on that Walmart train too. That's why they're on my watch list, but I don't really care about playing Walmart personally. What are they doing this morning? Because it's not random. We're not getting random runs. We are just letting stuff move. I mean, this is like a normal market morning, it seems like. So I'm really happy with how it's moving. My Lowe's call is sitting still. totally cool with that for now. And we got time on Apple. Says my connection's unstable. It's reconnecting me. There we go. I'm connected again. Cool. So yeah, that's my whole goal with Apple, just because it's so hard for me to know what the best thing to do is if I don't fully understand how the premiums are, how it's going to work. I mean, I feel like the IV is going to be through the roof off the gate, but like I said before, maybe it rips through the ceiling and I'm like, ah, damn, people are loving it. I just know that the last time Apple did a stock split, their price went down, but you know, these look really cool. The Apple's just the coolest stock ever. Gotta love it. Yeah, a lot of these calls, I mean, they're up 20% from Friday, it seems. So it's working out in a lot of people's favor, it looks like. And, you know, I'm liking it. I like Apple a lot. I'm just excited to see, you know, how their dollar moves, to see if they're worth getting into calls and stuff, or if they're, because they might start moving like Disney, which is cool. So we'll figure that out. You got it. You got it. But that's just me. That's just kind of my opinion, my plan. But I think if we find a little SPY dip, oh, it already dipped. It's already up to 350.50. that moved really quickly. I wonder what caused that. Probably Amazon. Amazon going crazy. You got it. Yeah, but Lowe's is cruising, only down 45. But yeah, we'll be watching stuff. We'll hop back into the Discord. A couple people asking me questions. So, especially even if you haven't commented, know that you're here. So, thank you for being here, man. Robinhood's completely bugged out right now because it's looking good for me. Oh, you can't trade? Oh, no. Gosh, that's horrible. Well, I guess I'll just keep an eye out for plays then if we can't trade. You can't cancel or trade right now in Robinhood. Oh my gosh. I'm going to go to their Twitter. Let's get this figured out. Gosh, this feels so dumb. Thinkorswim had it happen last week. Now Thinkorswim's working. Now Robinhood isn't allowing to trade. Lowe's is taking off, so I'm happy. Lowe's is taking off. My position looks great. I'm really happy with it. For stock market, latest. Robinhood crash is trending. Oh my gosh. Oh, and I guess Vanguard is too. Oh my gosh. Yeah, your whole options chat in that too, James. Yeah, we have more time. I tried selling, but now I'm at, oh my gosh. Not executing and just trying to cancel. Dude, this sucks so much. Yeah, I guess Robinhood, it's not, or Robinhood, E-Trade. Dude, someone's E-Trade isn't working, and Vanguard, bro. Oh my gosh. Robinhood doesn't want us to be great. I promise, dude. Dude, this is ridiculous. We got Robinhood. It even says TD Ameritrade slowing down, but Thinkorswim's working. E-Trade and Vanguard. Dude. Too many new people trying to get on Apple and Tesla. 100%, Brian. It's crazy. Robinhood's bugging. Yeah, it's crazy, Rodney. We can't do anything. Oh my gosh. This sucks. Robinhood down. Let me see what people are saying about Vanguard. For real. Well, let me check Vanguard. I have Weeble and maybe Weeble's working, but oh my gosh. I don't like to complain, but this is actually BS because this is what some people do for a living. It's hard for people to do that when it's down. Refresh the stream or Robinhood. Oh, the Robinhood app. Okay. I was just making sure. This is crazy. Yeah, I'm going to refresh it and see if anything else works. This is crazy. I really appreciate the 34 people who are here through this crazy thing of like almost like a nightmare. Oh my gosh. You can't buy or sell. Correct? No one's able to buy or sell? Or are you? The only stock really moving up right now is FedEx for me, and that's only up 0.7%. Apple's up a little bit. Amazon's up, but like Microsoft, Cat, Nail, Berkshire B are all just like straight down. DPST's down. Yeah, I'm heated too, my man. It's still not working to tier. I was gonna sell Zoom and get it at the dip and it happened, but it won't let you do anything. So Robinhood, the only thing, James, that this might make you feel a little better. Robinhood will address the situation, and if anybody lost money, right, like when they were down that one Monday for an hour, they will give you like a, of course it's going to take a long time, but some sort of like, if you just prove that you lost funds, they will like match it or whatever. Tesla's up 12. That's crazy. Everyone's getting in. Jeez, I'm up 190% on my Tesla play. I like my shares. I don't have like a call going or anything. I can't even look at the options on. Oh, okay, it's working now. It's like, jeez. Homie said he lost 3K and they gave him $75. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. For real. Whew. Dude, the Tesla Premium is expensive, and it's super expensive for how little it's going to move now. Like, that's the one thing that I don't know if people are going to realize. Like, it might be too risky to even play them anymore. I could be wrong. Maybe it's less risky now. Well, I mean, it's still like risk is pretty relative on them. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm definitely going to wait to enter stuff until Robinhood figures its life out, because this is like, good morning, Skylar. Thanks for hanging out, my man. Oh, man. I mean, if it starts working, I'm cool with that. But if it continues to not work, it's confusing. Spy's drawn back a little bit, so let's see how Spy kind of sets itself up today. Everything's just being so funky this morning. I mean, at least we can somewhat afford Tesla, right? But it's still not like ideal. So we'll watch how they move this week. But yeah, I know people are gonna try to hop on Tesla stock. Lowe's is doing good for me though. I'm doing really well. I'll buy Lowe's position. Sqaure. Netflix looks like it's finding a little bit of traction. I'm gonna watch the SPY charts for now, but I think pretty soon we'll be able to enter a SPY dip. Let me go to Thinkorswim, see if it's working on my charts. I gotta log in first. What a day. SPY launched 30 cents. Or SPY opened big, fell 30 cents, launched 30 cents, and is back down even lower than it was before. So we're getting a straight red candle. So I think today's going to be a good day to buy the SPY dip for anybody who might be interested in that. But let me check the charts. I'll get everything going. But even my Thinkorswim is super slow right now. Every app's just getting crashed. I mean, I would play it a little bit further out, Poseidon, if you're going to play an Apple call. I mean, yeah, it definitely can just keep going up if people want to keep popping in on it. But yeah, if you're going to get the Apple, I would get into September 18th and just let that thing ride, because the volatility this week is going to be really interesting. If you can afford that, of course. I'm not going to say like, you got to do this play, but that's what I would do. Yeah, we'll see, man. Blake, we will see. You want to enter that long SPY call? I want to get into a SPY call today too. I'm just really waiting. I don't know. I'm waiting for my Thinkorswim charts to load so I can look at what everything looks like for the day. Like I said, there's no reason to hurry into a play. If you bought SPY at 350.50, right now it's 350.20 again, right? There's no reason to rush because the market looks so strong, especially on a Monday. Monday is like the scariest day for me when it comes to purchasing in the morning. But if you give it time, you should be good. Especially if we can hit this next SPY dip, but my Thinkorswim is not loading at all. So let's see if this loads so I can make a decision on if we're going to enter SPY. Spirit's looking good though. I mean, it's looking better. It's not looking like amazing. You got it. You got it. You got it. Lowe's is looking good though. Everything else seems to be selling off. From what I see, this should be a good week for the banks though. I think everything's just freaking out. Even SPY is the lowest it's been yet today. Especially with all the problems that Robinhood's having, I wouldn't about. Yeah, Odie, Intel. Check Intel out. I'm looking at hopping in too. That's a good idea if I'm able to. But yeah, it's just crazy. I don't think this should happen. SPY just broke under, so now it's below 350. So I'm glad we waited, right? And we didn't hop in earlier. So we got to check this out. I'm not going to get any Apple or Tesla today. I'm going to let them shake out first, just so I can see what they move like, so I don't get like my legs too deep in quicksand, because they move quick, but they could be quicksand, right? They could just suck you down. So I'm just going to sit and watch, because we got a lot of stuff happening, especially with the Robinhood app. So I'm just going to let this stuff move on its own for a minute, because we might have a pretty sideways day, but I'm thinking about entering a SPY dip. But my Thinkorswim charts are like, yo, we're not existent. So that's my opinion, but I am holding Apple and Tesla. I bought Tesla in February and I bought Apple in August last year for $188. So my average cost is $47 on Apple. So I'm a pretty happy camper. So yeah, let's watch Spy. It found some support. Oh my gosh, I'm going to lose it if Thinkorswim does not. Oh, and I got to grab my that. Got this stack. I got to put my laptop up so it doesn't burn up real quick. Forgot about that. There we go. Yeah, so now the fan can actually work for real. But yeah, that's kind of the plan for today so far, Rob. We're just going to let this market shake out because it's getting weird. It's moving sideways. There's a couple good plays in here. I'm not saying that any play is or something's going to be bad or something like that, but I'm just really watching right now, trying to learn, take everything in as I can. Are you going to get the charts going? Yeah, Brian, tomorrow. I was going to launch it today, but with OBS, I'm still learning it because I just downloaded it yesterday, and I want to make sure. I was going to stream. I didn't want to test it today because I know so many people are going to be asking about Apple, right? So I wanted to have all the attention I could give to the stream face to face. But now, tomorrow, we're launching the charts. So I'm really excited about that. But it'll be less of my face, but more of my voice too. So it'll be pretty cool. Your spy call went through, although I was trying to cancel it. Yeah, that's the worst. At least we can hop you into another one. Oh, it's crazy. Oh yeah, November 20th, bro. You're golden. You're golden. Thinkorswim. I've been trying to load Thinkorswim. I've been trying to load Thinkorswim for 5 minutes. I just refreshed it. It's been 2 minutes and it's still just going. It's like, dude, I'm literally upset. You got it. You got it. It rolls. Boom. All right, yeah, so I'm gonna watch this Robinhood. Might take off. Yeah, especially with this dip. Really confused. Spirit's on. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Crazy. Oh man, this is a disaster. Yeah, I'm great with Lowe's. Lowe's, I know. I can't believe there's even some volume going through. That's so crazy to me. Trying to see what the SPY price is. How far out should spreads be? I'm not too great with spreads. I don't really know too much about it, but man, is Thinkorswim driving me crazy. What a disaster of a day. BTG running, Aurelio said. Want to buy more if I have PTSD trying to play the Lowe's dip, and that's even if they let me buy. I feel that. I'm down 16% on Lowe's right now. It was break even this morning at open. Gosh, what a day. You got it. Yeah, so we're still letting stuff shake out because SPY is in a weird chart. It's charting very weird. Netflix selling off, which is kind of expected after having such a large run last week. Amazon's rising, BRKB's rising. The banks are down today. It seems like nearly everything is just taking a uppercut right now, right to the chin. You got it. You got it. So it's just going to be a funky one today. Robinhood app is still acting up on me. Spirit looking better. So that's good. Tesla's on its way down, even though SPY's climbing a little bit. Is NVIDIA still climbing? Okay, that's good. Barge, AMD up. Robinhood down. I can't buy options. Aurelio, almost all the stock trading apps are down today. Yeah, Theta will crush you, Pete. It sucks. I know Theta is a bitch. I agree. You still don't have a watch list. My Robinhood has not. I tried to execute a trade for fun, just to buy. I was going to buy and sell it to see if I could execute or what it's looking like. I'm getting absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. I'm trying to cancel it now. What a horrific morning. What a weird day, man. Can't cancel nothing, me either, man. Aaron, Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, and Vanguard are all having issues right now because of the large influx of traders. And Robinhood's the one that I use, so I'm taking an uppercut right now. I mean, it's not horrible. But it's not what I want to see because I want to be able to make plays. Sqaure took off to the races, and I wasn't even able to enter that today. So that's what sucks. So I called it out in the stream. It's literally the title of this one. I just can't pick it up. It's not letting me purchase anything. SPY, I think it's about to continue to fall. So Skylar said time. All right, boys, down 420 today. Time to take a rip. What's up, Jose? Thanks for hanging out. Skylar's got me dead, man. So you see this, I'm trying to show you guys the chart on Robinhood. I think we're going to break through and we'll see SPY continue to dip probably to 349.85, if not lower. Okay, there's where it went. So see the trend that it's creating is like a down, I forget exactly what it's called, but you see how like that would be the trend currently. So we're going to wait even longer before we make an entry. But I want to get back to everyone. So far, gold was a good call. Out of inflation talk on Bloomberg today. Josh, yep, I heard. I just can't believe that it's not allowing me to get anything. This is just a nightmare in itself. You got it. You got it. You got it. I couldn't believe I wasn't able to pick up Sqaure this morning. None of my orders are going through. It's like, bruh, come on. Just trying to make them trades. It's crazy. I don't think I missed anyone's message, right? Yeah, well, thanks, guy. I didn't sell Sqaure. Let's go. Yes, it's crazy. Always a good hold on Sqaure. Yeah, Sqaure had a great just candle run. I think SPY is probably going to start doing a little better, although Netflix is still getting hurt. Amazon's just running. It's up $47 today. Are you kidding me? That would have been a move today. I have them on my watch list, but let's see what happens. This is such a weird morning because I just feel like I'm gonna make an entry and then the app's just gonna be like, gone. So I'm gonna watch SPY. TD Ameritrade's finally working. What a day. What a day. What a day so far. Tried to get on SPY and first thing just went through. SPY put right away, finally went through. It would have been, yeah. I'm glad it finally went through for you. But oh my gosh. What a day. It's crazy. Yep, Square's up to 159.02. The portfolio's kicking. It's not doing bad. Tesla and Apple just hanging out. DPST's hanging out. Amazon's just cruising. Shopify's cruising. Whew, what a day. Sqaure 160. It's 158.80. That'd be nice to see. No, you're not now. Hell, I'm not now. I wanted it earlier, not now. Dude, it's been just this morning on this app. These apps have just been a disaster. Well, I think we'll see SPY drop a little more, and then we can hit a dip and enter. Barge, I love the airlines, especially this week. I posted in my callouts play and the Discord, or for this month. In the Discord, if you go to Logan's callouts, Barge, you can see me talk about the airlines and why I'm watching them. And a Spirit pilot, I know. Getting a nosebleed from going so low and touching the ground. Killing me, Brian. Okay, so shoot. Well, here's SPY mounting the VWAP band, so let's keep an eye on it, because if it mounts it at 350.30 and takes off a little bit more, I think we could be in, this could, because it's testing it right now. So, but with the VWAP strategy, I mean, SPY did rise to 350.65 and then come back down. So we'll see how it kind of moves. But I like when plays end right at the VWAP line, it usually gets mounted the next time. So we'll see how SPY moves here. This is getting funky. I'd love to hop in for the day, just open. Oh, that's crazy. I did hear Yeah, SPY's looking better. FedEx is rising. Sqaure cruising. We're not really getting too crazy of a price action though on any stocks across the board from what I'm seeing, but that doesn't mean that we're not gonna. Well, our portfolio is doing good. It's in a great spot. I'm very happy with it. But Sqaure, man, me missing that play just because I couldn't fill my order is like tilting. How are they talking about it on Bloomberg? Stock apps. Is Art crushing it, Michael? I'll check it out. Yeah, Sqaure is about to hit 160. I mean, that's a straight moon. My execution didn't go through, so that's tilting. But it's whatever. I'll continue to watch SPY. I can always enter SPY for a good little Monday safe day. I'm thinking about playing it safe today with the apps acting the way they are. I'm gonna check ARC right now. Dude, you're cruising. Holy. What an ETF. This is a great one. If they dip again, I might enter. Man, Robinhood. AMD's on the rise, so that's great. Wonder how Intel's doing. Yeah, I'm checking the SPY charts right now. I'm letting it shake out a little bit more, and then we may make an entry. Just hopped in Apple. All right, Odie, let me know how that goes. I'm excited to see. Yeah, SPY's got another red candle going. It did not mount the VWAP, so because I use the VWAP strategy, right? When I make plays, and it doesn't work all the time, but it works a lot of the time. And it did not mount it, so I'm glad I did not enter at 350.40. I'll just try to get it so we can get it cheaper for you guys, and then we can make, really smart plays. AMD is mooning. They're on my watch list too. For the week. FedEx moved. That was crazy. So it is now hanging out by the VWAP. So we'll see. It might be time to make a SPY entry soon. Just a little curious to see how it moves right here. But I think we'll see a little bit more of a pullback, and then we can make an entry, testing the lower VWAP band. If Lowe's goes up, it'll be a good day. I agree. And then yes, Giovanni, that is my plan. So let's just be patient. No need to rush into a play. But yes, when Lowe's goes up, I'll be happy as well. And there goes Sqaure hitting 160. So that's crazy, man. They're up 2.6%. 160.18. It's crazy. What a day. They're such a crazy stock. Gotta love it. And Amazon pulling back a little. So thank you guys for being here. There's 29 of you guys. If you guys could leave a like on the live stream, there's 15 likes. It really helps a ton. I'm going to stream until about 12:30 today, especially with these issues going on. But I really want to help you guys see if we can get into a position. But I'm not going to rush anything. But SPY is looking great, especially if we can test that VWAP band again, the lower one. At 349.80, I would make an entry in a heartbeat. And even if we don't get that low, it's still looking like a pretty solid time to make an entry pretty soon. Spirit just turned around really quickly. But yeah, Square's still pumping. You got it. You got it. Well, we'll play it out for a couple. I was thinking about day trading it, but I'm going to get a longer, like a further expiration, because I might just start letting all my profits ride, because the amount of money I left on the table last week by not letting my profits ride, it's just crazy. So that's something I really want to start doing. But what a day for Sqaure. You got it. You got it. So I started taking back off. But it's still a red candle. I never enter on a red candle, so you're at my target, but Sqaure won't let you sell. Oh my gosh, it's such a disaster. Today is a disaster when it comes to trading stocks. I'm like too scared to enter anything too big because Robinhood acting up. SPY's back on the rise. Restaurants and bars are going to be fully open soon. I hope so. That would be awesome. So it's still a red candle on SPY. Okay, it's green now. So if we can retest the VWAP, which is at 350.25, if it mounts it, I'm down to make an entry with you guys. We'll try to ride SPY up a little bit today. So we're just going to see. We're going to watch it hang out. But it is a green candle. I do like to enter on green candles. Here we go. We're testing it, and let's see if we can mount it. And if that happens, we'll hop into a play. But with how everything's all over the place, orders aren't getting filled, I'm not going to mess with anything else. Amazon's taking off, though. It's crazy. Like I said, with the orders not taking place, it is crazy. You got it. You got it. You got it. Crazy. Those premiums are so expensive. What SPY call you entering? Yeah, this is a disaster of a day, Giovanni. I'm looking at September 9th or the 14th to do a 350 call because I want to get it in the money. But these positions have really not moved much. But I was going to throw grab 3 contracts. They're almost 500 a piece, and then just let it ride, see what happens. Yeah, I know. Lowe's would be nice too to get its life together, like you were saying. Although I found the support, so it seems support is 349.90 on SPY. And then the resistance level seems to be 350.60. So we have this little gap to work with. I see a red candle, but I think with it passing the VWAP line, we could be in a good spot to enter really soon. or it can just keep ripping to the sky. It might re-hit support, but if this thing breaks 350.65, then I'll be like, all right, I think we missed our entry spot because it's looking a lot stronger than I expected. You got it. You got it. If I lost some money due to the glitch, yes, you can contact Robinhood Help and see what they'll say. Childers time from Lena. Yeah, but Joshua, that's the way. That's the best thing to do, I think. Contact them and just be like, hey, I'm getting screwed out of money. Your guys' system is glitchy. Please fix it. And they should be able to give you some sort of cash back for it. I got 5 on it. I see it. I got 5 on it. And Netflix turned around. Shoot, do I enter Netflix? Let me check their chart. SPY is 350.40 for me. I don't know what it is for you guys. Just hanging out. But I'm going to check Netflix. Oh, Netflix. Yep. Ooh, 2 big green candles on Netflix. So that's the VWAP is at 521. Gosh, this is just so crazy. The day, it's like, I don't know what to enter. I got 5. Some red, Lowe's, and 11 play. Gonna wait and see where it's at tomorrow. Today, yeah, I'm down 20% on Lowe's right now, and it could still be dropping because I haven't checked Lowe's in a minute. I got 5 on. I just start singing the whole day again. And relay run to us. Red coming out of Netflix. Yeah, glad I waited on Lowe's. What y'all calls on Lowe's? I have a September 11th call. It's a 167.50 call. I'm down about 20% on it because they're 164 something right now. I'm currently watching Netflix, also watching Spy. Spy is back down to 350.14. So we're getting some shakiness in the market right now. Whew, what a day. At ATIME. Biggest red day for you so far, Skylar? I can't even tell because my Robinhood's so glitched. But yeah, nothing's really moving, which is horrible. I mean, Tesla's the only stock, in Amazon. Tesla and Amazon, and those premiums are a couple grand a piece, are the only stocks that are really moving right now. It's crazy. Okay. Hop in with you guys, just worried to execute for like an hour and down a lot. Yeah, I feel that, man. I'm trying to really figure this out because this has just been such a weird day. Okay, we might look at entering SPY. Fell down a bit. I bet the charts are a little different now. But with that big of a sell-off, and it passed that last where I thought was support line, we might be getting some SPY dip action. At ATIME. Spirit completely tunnel vision down. Crazy. Oh, SPY is recovering. Dude, Amazon. Oh my gosh. That's ridiculous. I'm trying to get my Thinkorswim going. I want to pregame before the power hour. Everyone else say I. Finally got out of Sqaure, and I think I won't be trading for the rest of the day. Everything's buggy. Yeah, I agree, Pete. It's crazy. What's up, Malone? Really nothing happening. My trades are pretty much going sideways today because Robinhood's being buggy. TD Ameritrade's being buggy. I guess Vanguard's not having a good time. But yeah, there's just this warning. We're experiencing high traffic, so I can't even track, if I'm up today or if I'm down. It's literally just sitting in one spot, like my portfolio. So it's tough to see, but it happens. Yeah, Robinhood shot this morning. It is just like a disaster. with what's going on. I just sucks, man. These apps. It's crazy. So that's pretty much, yes, Save had that nasty turnaround. It was looking nice, like a nice little setup. And Spy's still just, well, it's still just like acting so weird today. Acting really funky. So yeah, everything's just kind of going down and to the side and hanging out. Spy's just up and down, up and down. How far can you go, Lowe's? How low can you go? Oh, gotcha. Yeah, Lowe's is 164.18 right now. Looks like it's trying to find some support and lift off. Let me check the charts on it. Thinkorswim's just acting up. It's so weird. LOW. So we tested the lower VWAP band. We should see a little rise. It should rise to at least 164.50, and then we'll kind of see what it's going to do from there. But yes, we had two huge red candles out of Lowe's. So we definitely are going to keep monitoring this position. Let me look. Chart for the month. 34. So yeah, we got the red. Okay. Okay, that makes more sense to me. Lowe's is doing that dance. That should be their new slogan. How low can you go? Yeah, Lowe's is being funky. Still looking around. Yeah, it is being funky, but I think we can get a little push from it. Yeah, it's such a slow morning. Slow start to the morning. Oh, there's Spy. What kind of candle is that? Well, let's check it out. That's so crazy to me. Let me look at today, see what it's doing. Wow, what a candle. Yeah, this is such a weird day. I see it's so weird because my Spy contracts don't even load. Like if I just want to look at them, it takes forever. Can't even imagine. DPST's on the rise, so that's good. That's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Lowe's is trying. It's doing a little better, so it's not as bad. There we go. There we go. Getting a little more action out of it. Gosh, I don't even know what to do with Sqaure right now. It's just hanging out. That was such a big green candle too. Couldn't even imagine. Try the desktop app. Not trading it all today. You can't risk it with Robinhood. Yeah, I've tried execute a couple plays and I've gotten nothing. I know that some plays have executed for people today, but I am just not getting the lucky side of things today. But I'm still watching Spy because maybe we can hop into something. I think we should see this from this last green candle. I'd really be surprised if it doesn't fall a little bit more. Refresh Thinkorswim. It's being funky. Yeah, I'll pull up the Robinhood desktop app and see if I can get anything going there too. Oops. Creative Cloud. What a day. Like my fast food fast. Molly, why starting me? Bring it to your front door like you ordered me. Try to load more of that. What's up, Lucas? Thanks for hanging out. Yeah, it's looking like a sideways day for Spy. That's what I'm thinking too. It's just being funky. Maybe if it retests VWAP and we get a green candle at 350.30, I'll hop in for a quick day trade. But dude, it's just crushing me watching these plays and nothing executing, and it's just I like my fast food fast. Spy is just freaking doing whatever it wants. It's just freaking. It's freaking out. Oh, Nathan says hi. tell Nathan I said hi back. Nice to hear from you guys, for real. I hope you're having a great time at CMU. You guys are chilling in the dorms. That's pretty cool. Yeah, we're getting low action on Lowe's. Your front door like you ordered me. What a day. But I want to yeah, this is straight green to straight red. It just broke up. Spy. What even is this? I'm just going to let everyone know I'm looking at entering SPY soon. I'm going to enter soon. Couldn't even. Man, I'm feeling athletic. I'm on a boat, getting seasick. Stop playing. I'm fresher than a degree stick. Street. Arc saved my day. Yeah, Arc is pretty cool. Arc crushed it. Are they still climbing? Oh, they're up to. I was looking at they're 93.77. I was looking at another 94. So good play there, Michael. For real, that's great. That's a great play. 468. Whoops. Hit that. Let's see. SPY. Okay, so it's 350.32. AMD's moving. Oh, is it really? Did it take off? I had them on my watch list. Oh yeah, that thing moved today too. Whew. What a week this thing's been. It's just every time I wanted to enter, it would dip down. And I was like, okay. Yeah, Wayne is the GOAT, Brian. I agree. I've been listening. His No Ceilings tape just got dropped on Spotify, so I've just been like repeat on it. Bring it to your front door like you ordered me. Yeah, Wayne's the GOAT. I agree. I've seen him live. He's awesome. Wayne on me. Wayne on me. She said, Wayne on me. These plays. AMD is moving. Don't want to get too greedy. I work out in my office. Guess I'm fit for business. That's one of the hardest lines on that whole tape. 100%. I love that line. I think about that one all the time. Work out in my office. Guess I'm fit for business. So crazy. He's one of the GOATs, man. Yeah, that whole tape is crazy. I could listen to his tapes more than his albums, but his albums are also just insane. Like, he is insane. That came gift wrap, a bow and a ribbon. Keeps making higher lows. Spy. Let's watch you. You're a local news, and I'm 60 minutes. Like that. That's so hard. I gotta listen to that song after after the stream. I'd play it now, but I'd get copyright stuff happen. You're the local news, and I'm 60 minutes. So hard. So crazy. I wish you guys could see my. It literally says I'm down a ton. All right, I'm looking at entering SPY. So just gonna double check the charts. It's a green candle. Let me look at what's going on. Wayne on me. She said, Wayne on me. Yeah, it's really, and okay, it's starting to take off now. I'm like trying to time SPY, and it's just like whoop, 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 up, down. AMD, let's go. Is it cruising? HD in the same spot as Lowe's. Let me check it out. SPY is being crazy today. Wow, AMD just moved a whole dollar. That's a cruiser. Should have hopped in. I should have hopped in on that. Skylar said, well, let's just say I should have my positions on Friday. I feel you, man. It's ripping. I didn't enter that. Congrats to who did. Wayne on me. Wayne on me. Yeah, AMD just ripped to 89. What was it this morning? 80. Whew. Crazy. Yeah, it's crazy. Home Depot and Lowe's are both just hanging out at the bottom. Could be a really slow day for them, but we'll keep our eye out. Dude, SPY has just got me going, man. SPY has just got me going. I want to enter it, and this thing is just being weird. I wonder what Walmart's doing today. ARC's still going up. That's awesome. And yeah, Intel wants to go. AMD just hit an all-time high. Yeah, what's happening? I know a lot of people are going to enter them. It's down 3%. Down hard too. Look at that. That would have been a good Microsoft put play day. So we'll check that. We can enter. Wayne on me. Crushed it. I'm not sure. And how it really is. I know right now. I was gonna grab it. Was gonna grab it. Glad I didn't. I should have entered. Totally missed. Me from watching. Yes. Apple's going. Are they moving? Oh, I bet Spy is climbing. Oh, Apple did move. 5 minutes. It got that good little boost. I bet Spy's moving now. Not really. It's it has no idea what it wants to do with its life because Microsoft's just like, yo, sorry. Crush today. Yeah, with correlation to Apple. Yep. Spy does move in correlation with Apple a lot of the time, except today it's not because of Microsoft getting crushed. So I actually really want to enter. Really want to enter Microsoft, not now, but soon. But soon. I'm also in Netflix and it's crushing it right now. I'm up 18%. But I don't know if I'm going to let it ride. I don't know what to do if I just let it ride. Like, I kind of want to secure profits. But man, I didn't call it out because it was so risky. This is one of the riskiest plays I've ever made, but it's doing pretty well. You got it. Dun, dun. You got it. You got it. You got it. Yeah, the home builder stocks today are, I mean, luckily that's the nice thing is I have the home builder stocks for 2 more weeks. So it's like, I'm not really that nervous, but it does suck when you're like, I could get it cheaper. That's what I think of. Secure profits, but look at the timing. But look at the time. Oh, 11 a.m. is about for timing or timing for like Lowe's and stuff. Because Netflix is still climbing. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Yeah, AMD went nuts. Still holding. Lowe's it's looking better. It's just not moving better. Same with Home Depot. You got it. Oh, you got it. You got it. You got it. Yeah, you're gonna wait a little more. Yeah, I'm up. I'm cruising right now, and it's like I'm down so much on Lowe's. Like it's not bad, but since I'm down on Lowe's, this really helps me out quite a bit, so it can kind of counteract, my week. Your watch list is back, James. Let's go. I'm glad that people are finally moving on to their daily lives, so your watch list could come back. You got it. Wow, Tesla ran today, up 7%. I am up 201% on my Tesla position. It's crazy. Facebook's like, Apple's moving. So that did climb today. That I'm up 174% on. It's all around 528. Yeah, I'll keep an eye on it, or I can continue to watch them. And Amazon ran today. What a crazy day. AMD ran. It's about to hit. That would have been a great play to hop into. Yeah, I think SPY will have a little dip like natural, pretty normal. Little Netflix dip, and I'm gonna keep riding it today. I gotta plug in my laptop. You got it. I expect them to sell off a little bit, just because they ran up so fast. It's kind of crazy. I'm just hoping Lowe's can get back on its feet. I'm getting hurt there, and then getting hurt on, or no, I'm actually doing good on Netflix, but it is down $40 from where it was like 5 minutes ago. DPST was looking good. It's kind of hanging out, so. You got it. You got it. Oh, never mind. Netflix is down like 100 from where it was. Weirdness. Yeah, the IV's like, pew. Plus it green candled so much too. I'm trying to get it on Thinkorswim, but it's not coming up. Eyes is like, like every candle, it's like green, red, green, red. Yep, SPY is 350.66. Crazy. And Apple's up almost $100 a share today. So the market overall is just funky right now. You got it. You got it. Home Depot's looking good, so that should bring Lowe's up too. I'm just keeping an eye on all that. Why is there no result on Netflix? What is happening? Yeah, Netflix is back. I see it's climbing. It's exciting. I'm excited. Got some Rocket, but that one is down quick already. Yeah, Rocket's a tough one. You got it. You got it. SPY is 350.70 now. Oh man, that really kicked up out of nowhere, and I did miss my entry on that. RKT for the long term. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna tell him. I'm gonna see what his expiration was on it. Rocket's a great one. All right, we're getting some Lowe's action back. That's good news. Home Depot is coming back. Lowe's, so that should keep pushing Lowe's for everybody in Lowe's or Home Depot. You got it. Tesla's still climbing. My position, dude, I'm so happy I grabbed some shares back in. I should have got more way back in the day. That would have been nice. Way back in the day. All right, so we're gonna watch SPY. Next time it dips down, we're gonna make an entry. Just whatever the next dip is, we're gonna be hopping in. Yeah, I'm gonna watch Netflix. I can always hold it overnight too. I don't mind re-entering in the morning, but yeah, its high was 527. Wow, I can't believe Tesla's already climbing up 8% because people are like, well, time to buy it because it's gonna just keep going. It's crazy, man. I guess Mark Cuban said that his 19-year-old niece said, what stocks do I buy? And she's never been interested. So he's like, I guess he's selling a ton of stocks or something because he thinks that we're in a bubble. But I mean, my returns are so good that even if we ever had a bad day, I could just sell like a lot of my stuff or half of it and keep the other half in if I needed. So I'm cool with it. It's not as dramatic as they make everything seem online. Tesla's still moving. It's crazy. It was up 8.25% today. Jeez. Jeez. Crushed it. Lynn crushed it. So it goes up. He's selling because more people are getting involved in the stock market. Yeah, he thinks it's because if we have a couple like big firms sell stuff off, right? That who's like never invested before is gonna get scared and want all their money back. But I know a couple friends who think like if they even put $1 in the market, it's just gonna disappear. I'm like, that's not it's not how it works. Like, I understand why they view it that way, but it's just not it. Yeah, this Tesla thing's crazy, man. 206% return all time. You got it. You got it. But yeah, I'm gonna hold my Netflix for now. It's got time. Lowe's is looking better, guys. At least for me, it is a little better. Apple's pushing 130, so what a run it had. Yes, I'm just gonna let this thing shake out for a day or two. I expect a lot of volatility between Tesla and Apple over the next week. Yeah, I don't know. They're just scared to take a little risk. I know. That's really what it is, man. There's a lot of people who are really comfortable in life, so they're just like not about taking risks and stuff. Which I understand, but I feel like, risk is fun, right? I mean, I think it's fun. Taking risks is fun. For me. You got it. You got it. Coming back up. That's good. I'm digging that. Lowe's is coming back up. Decent amount. It's up 5% in the last 10 minutes. So that makes me feel better about my position. Home Depot's coming back up, which is carrying Lowe's, that whole home builder section. And my Netflix call is up 14%. It was up 19, but it pulled back like I expected. I just get nervous when I sell after things are running, because if I hop out and it continues to run, I just sit there like, why did I do? Risk is not fun when you don't have a watch list still. Oh my gosh, Poseidon. Oh. Black Magic said there's no open interest at all to sell covered calls in Apple. Yeah, and it's I know I saw that there's no open interest since it's like brand, it's almost like brand new. We're up 10% on Netflix, so I'm gonna keep watching. But yeah, it can get sold off for a little bit. Still doing well as a stock overall for the day. That thing had a run, and my Thinkorswim charts are not loading, so I don't know what is happening. No results for Netflix. It says I'm disconnected. Makes no sense at all. So we'll see if we can exit out, reopen it. Scared money don't make no money, says Odie, and that is a fact. Scared money makes absolutely no money. And that's a fact. There's too much money in the stock market. Jeez, Tesla's just going through the roof. Oh my gosh. What a day. What a day. Non-scared money has your put down. Yeah, but still gains to be made. Yeah, there's gains everywhere. It just sucks that Robinhood was all glitchy this morning. I missed out on that Sqaure run I wanted to get into. I even titled the stream after it. So yeah. Absolutely crazy, guys. Oh, Tesla just exploded. Oh my gosh. What a stonk. Yeah, Tesla's going dumb, man. $92.42. Dude, that thing just turned around though so fast too. It just went from 496 to 490.65 in like 2 minutes. Dude, this stock, I'm up 212% right now on Tesla when it comes to like owning my 3 shares. I should have put my index fund money into it instead of buying index funds. And I was just like, it's crazy. Lowe's is coming back. It's looking better. Home Depot's got ugly though, so let's hope Lowe's can keep that action up. You got it. Do you got it? This market's crazy. If I had day trades, it would have been a huge day, dude. It would. That's the only scary thing trading Tesla is that IV crush. Like if it turns around on you like $3 from where you enter, it can just go and just crush your play. But I mean, now that it's less risky to play, I think there's a lot of money to be made there. So that's pretty cool. What a day, dude. Even though my portfolio still says it's down 51% all time because of the splits, it has no idea what it's doing. All right, I'm gonna enter SPY for fun. Not for fun, like it's gonna be a legit play, but I think now is a good time to. I just hope I can get to execute. I'm gonna go for September 14th. You got it. 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 Jeez, dude, this is just such a crazy day for all these stonks. Stonk City. What a day. I just shouted it on the Discord. Here's my position if you guys want to see it in live and real action. So I have this for the 14th of September. I have it for the 14th so I can offset any volatility. But like I said, I want to be strict with my stop loss since I played it this big. You know, like I went up, of course it's going to move. But I bought it on a green candle. I think we can see SPY break 351 today. So I might even exit today if SPY continues to be weird. And Robinhood's bugging again, Sqaure said. So it's just so like, just a weird one today. You let your call go through, but it says you're down. See that's what my Robinhood today. You got it. You got it. His Lowe's glitching. It says JK. Wait, JK, like just kidding? Oh, and SPY just crashed. I'm down 3% on my play. Okay. Big SPY sell. SPY just fell so fast. Oh my gosh. A lot more than hit the VWAP and fell through. Jeez, dude. SPY just fell. Well, good thing we didn't buy it up high. I mean, we bought it high, but like not like crazy. It's not crazy. Home Depot just sold off. Could even imagine. Big headed. Couldn't even imagine. Man, Home Depot got crushed. Lowe's is down again. Everything was looking good, and SPY was just like, sorry, we're done. We're riding through the desert on a camelback. Mine too. Well, guess SPY wasn't the move. I need another. I'm here late. Damn, the market looks crazy. Yeah, I guess SPY wasn't the move. It literally crushed. It hit the VWAP line. I was like, oh, we're just going to go up and down all day. I entered as it hit it, and it just went, oh, we're falling through it. Oh, yep, that's strategy. I mean, it can burn you. I mean, I'm down 6%. It's not crazy. That's what's nice about SPY. But Tesla reversed, Apple did, Facebook straight red candle. Seven and a half percent. Yeah, I think SPY will bless us. I think it's a great time for it. I'm gonna wait till it gets a green candle again before I make another entry on SPY. I'm down 7% on it. I bought it and it was just like, pew. Riding through the desert on camelback. Crazy. SPY just do the flop on us. My whole portfolio just moved a ton in literally 10 minutes. But I was dealing with a customer. Oh my gosh. Oh, you filled the 250 call on Microsoft? Yeah, I'm gonna wait till I see some green candles for if I'm gonna make any more entries, because this is just a nightmare. On SPY, down 9%. Worst possible time. How? It literally makes no sense. At least I have it for a long time, but it's like, geez. Weighing on me. Microsoft's a disease. Whew. Come on, Lowe's. Come on, Home Depot. Start picking up nails. Start picking up all these other stocks. All right, so we're only down 8% on SPY. Yeah, today was so tough, Sqaure. Guess that makes up the crazy good days I've had prior. Yeah, dude, the stop losses are important if you're able to trade, but it sucks when you can't trade, man. if you aren't able to. I mean, I'm keeping SPY because I'm only down 8%. I got out of my Netflix play. I only made $40 on it because it crashed so fast. So I should have secured profits when I was up 200. Yeah, this is what we're looking at with SPY right now. So yeah, it hurts, but I mean, I have it for so long that as long as it doesn't get too ugly, I don't mind holding it. But Lowe's is getting really ugly on me, and I thought my entry was great. Looks like Lowe's puts, not too worried. But Voog, man, Voog just lost its face. SPY, Voo. I mean, it was a straight, just like, and we're gone. So we'll continue to watch. Even Spirit's under 18 again. It's just like, yeesh. Could even imagine. Tesla's probably gonna come down too. I mean, that if did you guys see how fast Tesla fell? Fell $10 in like 2 minutes. It's crazy because there's so many people trading it. Lotto play, they might come out of the deal. SPY feeling a little sick. It just threw up on itself. Apple hurting now, Josh. Yeah, that SPY put. Oh, I forgot about that. Yeah, Walmart played you. Walmart played me if I would have got in, dude. I just don't like Walmart. I can't trade it. It just hurts. I mean, if you guys like, don't forget to hit your stop losses, guys, and just take losses. If you just minimize them, it's not, the end of the world. I mean, I'm still just holding SPY right now because it's only down 9%, and I have it for 2 weeks, right? So I'm not worried on that spot. It just sucks. I could have entered different. I am getting a little worried on Lowe's, but like I said, I have this for 2 weeks too. So yeah, on Tatir, you should just hop out with your stop loss. I wouldn't still hold personally when you're down 70%. It's up to you. I mean, I'll call you a trooper. I'm just saying, there's always some better plays. Yeah, I think SPY will come back today too. I don't think it's gonna get super ugly today. It's just getting ugly right now, being down 9%. The only thing with Walmart, it's just better to always reposition yourself, though. I think to hop out, reposition your play. I mean, it can rally for sure. So if you want to keep holding, yeah, if you're only down 7%, that's not bad at all. Oh, total. I see what you mean. But it is important though, guys. I mean, you have those stop losses to where when you lose what you're only willing to lose, just get out. Yeah, I'm still holding Lowe's. They are taking a beating. I have them for 2 weeks though. So I have them for long term. And plus, like, the deltas are so good on my play. Well, which hurts it going backwards, but I'll make a decision on Wednesday to cut the losses if I want, but it's taken a beating if you aren't like, and I bought it late, so I think a lot of you guys are really hurt, but I'm down 40%, but I have it for 2 weeks. So if I'm up, the next 2 days, and I have such a small theta that it like barely affects the play. SPY is the only thing that's hurting me right now. Like, as far as dollar amount, because I literally bought it and then it fell. Like, I bought it 2 minutes before it crashed. That's why I'm just like, what? Like, I think it's gonna come back, but it's just one of those things. It's like, what? What? How? Huh? Where? So it's just, today was like, that was the whole, yeah, it's a tough day, Blake, for that too. Mondays are just so sketch. I mean, that just looks so bad. It's just like, oh, free fall. So hopefully it picks some traction up again. But ew. Ugh. Well, we're getting a little better on SPY. It's just like, eesh. Whew. Big-headed, couldn't even imagine what I do. Some folks can never fathom. All right, I guess SPY's almost fully recovering. It's almost back to 350. Lowe's is back to where it was. Or well, no, it's not. Sorry. It's looking better than it was, is what I should have said. These plays are getting crazy. Riding in the summer on a kick. Yeah, SPY's at 444 on my call with my average cost of 461. So it's a little hurt, but if we get that action back, we'll be looking really good. Dang, if SPY recovers, I just bought the very bottom of the dip. That's what it's all about, Sqaure. Let's make that money. It was just a day, man. Today is just a day. That's all I can say. That's all. The only thing I can say today is today was a day so far. What a day. Looking at these charts, man. SPY's back to 447 on this call. I'm only down 2% now. Good thing we didn't panic. I'm going to check the SPY chart so we can just see what's going on. At the big green candle on SPY after the big red one. So let's see what kind of action we can get going. Let's see. Luke said, I just started trading options a couple of weeks ago. I was wondering if I could talk to you about how you decide what companies you're going to buy options on. Yeah, I can let you know. So basically, we just look at news, right? I like to trade SPY, and we look at news, and I also look at stocks that have gaps to fill, like Netflix. When I bought Netflix last week, I saw it had a big gap to fill, and it honestly performed better than I expected. And then I also talked to a lot of the investors in the group who helped me out. So I'm like, I'm always kind of have my toes in the sand. SPY's looking better, pushing 350. So yeah, what I mainly do is, what's up, Grayson? Good morning. It's been a minute, man. Thanks for hanging out. Yeah, back to your question, Luke. You just started. I mainly just look at stocks that have news behind them. Like the chip makers did this week with NVIDIA. Zoom has their earnings. So people like to play stuff around earnings. I look for earnings continuation plays, and that's why I play Sqaure. So that's just when stocks have earnings and they do really well, people want to get in on it and put their money there because they're like, oh, they made a lot of money this quarter. Well, I want my money to go there so that 3 months from now, a year from now, there's still time to make my decision on where like I hope that helps you. Does that answer your question, Luke? But I also like to trade SPY a lot because SPY, like we just watched it recover after it crashed, and now I'm only down 1%. So, it's like everything goes kind of up and down. It's hard to know exactly the best time to enter, since you said you were new. But the one thing that I do that helps me a lot is just manage my risk. I set stop losses. I know what I'm willing to lose on every trade, but I also give things time. And if you buy far out and you don't buy weeklies, you will make money, I think, in the long run, just like investing stocks. It's really hard to like successfully day trade every single day, and especially if you have the limit. But there's so much opportunity out there. There's so many great things to buy, and the market's been doing crazy this past month. So, as long as you manage your risk and stuff, I think you'll do pretty good. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Just singing TikTok songs now for that Microsoft deal. You got it. You got it. You got it. That's just in a tough spot. I'm not going to touch that stock for a minute. Yeah, SPY's hanging out. I kind of expected to here. And we watched Home Depot get pretty ugly, and Lowe's get ugly, made a recovery, and now they're getting a little ugly again. But, it's all short term, the short term volatility. But I like SPY, I'm only down 1% now because I averaged my cost. So I'm excited to see what SPY does for the rest of the day. And we'll see. Maybe we make some good profits on it today, and we'll manage our risk. I'm really just curious. Lowe's is the only one that's kind of concerning at this point, but it's not. I have it. I'm gonna make my decision by Wednesday. But if the home builders doesn't turn around, it's like yeesh, kind of hurts. I'm really trying to figure out how to manage my risk, Luke says, and find a good strategy that works. Like, do you typically aim for out of the money calls? No, sir. I aim for monies. It depends, but mainly I like to do at the money so that we get that in the money movement where every dollar is a dollar on the contract, which can be a 10% to 15% return, every dollar move. So I shoot for in the money. The only time I ever play really far out of the money is if I'm playing something long term and I can't afford a more expensive premium. And that happens sometimes, but even like the SPY call, right? Like I'm down 1% on. I'm loaded up in the SPY call with a lot more than I thought I had loaded up into it, but it is what it is. So I'm loaded up in the SPY call, right? Where I manage my risk. If I lose a certain amount, I hop out, and if I make a certain amount, I set a goal to exit. And I didn't think I had that much loaded into this trade. Not bad, but I just got to watch this a little closer than I thought I had to. And it's right at the money. It's a 350 call, and SPY is 350.12. So if they take off to 353, I get that dollar movement per contract, or close to a dollar movement per contract. But I'm not out here like full sending a ton of money on, super volatile positions. It's just SPY. So, and right now I'm back to break even. So it's just crazy. Options is a crazy game. Yeah, I'm not out here throwing like like $3,000 into Tesla calls or anything like that. I just play stuff slow. I let my profits ride and just manage my risks so that if I ever get in a really bad spot, it's like, all right, we'll shrug it off, we'll come back, and we can always, reassess it. Good stuff, Pete. So when does your Pete, when does your contract expire? I just want to double check the expiration with you. DLTR looking like it wants to break upwards. Ooh, Sqaure, I'll check it out. DLTR. I've heard about them. That's Dollar Tree, right? Yes. Yes, Dollar Tree's a solid stock. And it just lifted off. I think you called that. Nice call out. That thing lifted. That thing lifted, man. Do you mainly play options or do you have, I have plenty of shares, my man. I own more equities. I trade options on top of all the, like, here's all my stocks, right? Stocks. And DPST is my biggest one, which I'm down on today. But that's like the main thing I do is hold long-term equities. I just trade options on top of holding stocks. I don't like to miss out on compound returns. But at the same time, there's so many good gains to be made in options that it's like sometimes I feel dumb not playing options on some of these stocks where you can make 10% in like 30 minutes. And I'm not saying it happens all the time because it definitely doesn't, but just something to think about. You got it. You got it. You got it. Skeleton 5. I'm gonna make sure I hit everybody's message. I just want to make sure. I'd feel bad if I didn't. I was watching Spy Hard when we should hop in. Is everyone doing? No, I'm gonna do a 9:14 in my Spy for a bit. That's the plan. Tesla running again. Ooh, baby. It did make a run. I've been scalping Tesla where you just hop in for like 2 seconds and hop out, try to make like $50. It's worked out pretty well. Out here scalping Tesla. But it's way too risky for me to make any call outs on. Way too risky. Especially Apple or Tesla today. Like I would feel bad if I made a call out and that thing just tanked. That's why we're just playing with SPY today. But I've been scalping them and my Netflix play did good today. So I'm up pretty well on the day. Yeah, dude. The day trades are the move when you can go crazy with them. Oh, Netflix. I'm gonna see if making an entry makes sense on Netflix. I'm gonna try to scalp a play. SPY's still lifting. We got 3 green candles. It just mounted the VWAP, guys. SPY should lift off here pretty soon. From what I see with my own 2 eyes. You got it. You got it. Ooh. Oh. You got it. Yeah, I think everything's just returning for us, which is great. That SPY should be through the roof pretty soon. Almost everything that dipped is back to where it was pre-dip. Nearly everything. I mean, not everything, but like Home Depot is definitely still $1 away. So hopefully Nail gets some traction. SPY is at 350.31 right now. You got it. You got it. Yeah, Dollar Tree was looking good too. So I'm just looking at charts. I should check the chat. Blah 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 blah. My mind's like, oh, 9/4 is the expiration, Pete. All right, yeah. If it expires on the 4th, you don't want to hold it till expiration day because the theta will hurt you bad. So maybe re-enter a different one. But if you're looking to maybe buy and sell tomorrow, could be a good play. I don't play weeklies. I think it's way too dangerous personally to play in the same week as expiration. But if you played it small, just be careful with that position. Hudson, my man, said, damn, this split's just hitting me. Like, I for real got 10 Tesla shares now. Yeah, bro, I got 15. We are killing it out here. And it's just climbing, or at least it was. Yeah, man, I'm up 208% on my Telsa position. So it's a great day in the neighborhood. Alexis VIP said, I appreciate your realness. You care about your money and mine. I do, my man. I really just try to manage risk because I know I influence a decent amount of people, right? And I just don't want people getting in the same plays that I'm doing to where I'm willing to take a $300 loss. And I don't want people to be like, Logan, it's the only play I ever entered that you called out, and I'm leaving the group now. You're the worst. I'm like, I'm just trying to teach, really. Like, I call out what I like, and I like to call out a lot of my low risk plays, and then we just see where it rides. You know, a lot of my low risk stuff, there's still money to be made there. I mean, it's not as quick, but it's still effective. So that's just always been. Any suggestions on SPY? So I entered. I'm pretty much at break even right now. So yes, I do like it. I want to, as long as you can afford it, go for it. But I think it'd be cool to play. Yeah, 355 call. Yeah, the delta is 33 and the theta is 13. So it's really not that bad. Let me check the 354 call. Yeah, that one's still, the 355 call still looks pretty good. So I do like that, Poseidon, if you want to hop in and ride it with us. I'm pretty much at break even right now, and we're riding this thing for we got it for 2 weeks. So we could even sell this Wednesday or Thursday and delay some gratification. And if SPY's up to 353 like it was last night, I mean, these things are just going to be money printers. In my opinion. Should have taken my profits on Netflix earlier when it was up 200. I ended up selling it for only up 40, but it's all right. So it's a decent SPY call. You said just wait. I like the 350 SPY call and at least get it at least a week out, at least. And I'm really into holding, like right now I'm holding one that is for the 14th, right? So I'm right at break even. Like as you guys can see, here's my position. If you want to look at it, it's a 350 call. Oh yeah, let me scroll up so you guys can see it a little better. So there's a 350 call. I bought it right at like that. It's hard for me to point to it. No, my Robinhood is not glitching anymore, Joshua. It's been fine. So I don't know if yours still is. Maybe try the desktop version of Robinhood. That could help a lot. Lowe's is looking better. There we go. I really just won't be excited until we see 165 again. But it's looking better. What's AMD doing? What a stock. Stock of the day. That's so weird. Yeah, no, Skylar, mine says I'm down like $40,000 on the day. It is lying. Your portfolio value shouldn't have changed. Mine's really not that different from what because I monitor mine. So mine literally says I'm down 32 grand. I'm like, that's not even possible, actually. Because all my stocks haven't moved. It's just being like that. So I'm in with y'all 355 SPY. Perfect. Yeah, I think we're going to see some good action out of this position. So I'm happy for anyone who hopped in. We had the dip for the day. Hopefully it's the only one we see today. Once Microsoft gets kicking, the SPY is just going to roof through the roof. Yeah, Robinhood will get its act together at some point here shortly. Lowe's is just funky right now. Oh yeah. So Zoom. Yeah, AMD went wild, man. It hit over 90. I talked about it in the call out list. I just did not take the action towards it. So I was too focused on why SPY was being weird. I was looking at Lowe's, watching all these other stocks, and it took off. Even Starbucks is lifting off. Netflix too, which I should have definitely sold when it skyrocketed. Yeah, we wouldn't buy anything weekly on it, Skylar. But yes, I agree. Premiums are probably ridiculous right now with the IB. If I was to play it, it'd be like September 18th. Like far. Like we're going far into the future. Even that's 2000. Yeah, Zoom might be too scary for me. But I'll regret it if it explodes. When did it have its earnings last? Okay, because it blew that earnings out of the water. Although their earnings are expected to be high this quarter. It's like, dude, I want to hop in. Maybe I do later. We'll monitor. Yeah, Skylar the Fox said Robinhood bugged on me this morning and I bought 50 contracts instead of 25 on Intel, but you're digging it. That's awesome. Like imagine if that position just explodes. Yeah, Intel's a great play. Oh, that's just so funny to think about. Lowe's is getting ugly. Home Depot's staying pretty ugly. SPY hanging out, pulling back a little, back to 350. Spirits hanging out. What happened to Neo? No, I guess nothing too crazy. Of course, it's pulling back, which is totally natural. But I thought something crazy. They trades down after EV company prices upsize equity offering at a discount. Oh, that's weird. That's so weird. Everything's pulling back a little bit after that big run. AMD's still running to the moon. Half hours. I'm gonna be live for about another 20 to 30, and then call it a day there because the market's just kind of like blah 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 bobbing around. A lot of good plays though, like AMD. SPY has 2 red candles going, but still looks pretty nice. I like the setup. Let me check AMD's chart. I just want to see what it looks like for the day. Yeah, that stock just went crazy. Yeah, dude, that VWAP strategy would have crushed it on AMD. I should have been watching them closer. Dear Lord, Sqaure said. What's up, Braden? Thanks for hanging out, my man. See you in the Discord a lot, especially recently. That's awesome. Dude, what is happening? There's like an animal over there outside the wall. You can hear it through the wall. Weird. I think my Apple calls might just print before Friday. I hope Apple calls work for you. Got you at Tyler Weaver. Yeah, Tesla scalping it. I think I'm up. I have the gains. I scalped it for like 40 and then 80. Scalped Tesla for 85. And then I scalped it for 185 on it. Where I was in and out in like 2 minutes, like not messing with it, not trying to. You got it. You got it. Huh. Charts so we can all watch the charts together for the next time I stream. Yeah, SPY's looking good from my position. I'm up $8. Literally at break even. Probably up Now I'm up $14. It's like, it's so funky to see. Yeah, it's funky to see. Really hoping Lowe's gets some action, some traction, action and traction. 165 would make me happy with Lowe's. Square's at 158.50, still climbing after falling really hard after it moved to 160 this morning. Yeah, SPY doing well, up 0.5% on my position. I might sell 1 or 2 contracts today. I have 6 of them, just so I can play Zoom. So it wouldn't be like I don't believe in the position or I'm securing profits. It would literally just be oh, I need more money to play Zoom plays. So that would be what would happen here if that's what I did. But I'm up almost 1% on SPY. But man, if I would have hit that dip, we would be looking really nice today. You got it. You got it. Lowe's is looking really good now. I'd love to see SPY like this position before 80, and then I can just kind of sit back, reposition myself. Like, okay, how do I want to play this from here? You got it. You got it. It's back. Yeah, Lowe's is looking good. We're pumping that number up. I'll get really excited when this contract that's worth 176 is back to 2. And I think that's doable by today. I really think it is. Especially with how home builders were getting crushed. Home Depot's looking better, so that should continue to push Lowe's up. And it looks like Starbucks is just to the moon today from the dip spot. SPY is up, cruising up to 350.47. So we're back in its weird zone. The SPY's been traded a lot today. You got it. You got it. Yeah, Lowe's is looking really good. 164.60. I'm happy. Your AMT returns today are above 290%. Yeah, I threw them on the watch list for us, but I did not make a play. Is Nvidia taking off too? Or you just want me to look at it? What kind of candle is that? This is why I don't like Nvidia. What kind of candle is that? No, I love Nvidia. But for real, like, no one knew that was going to happen. There's no setup trend there, as far as I know. But they were the other stock that were on my watch list. The chip maker should crush it this week. Makes literally no sense. This thing hopped. I mean, it didn't even really mount the VWAP. It just took off past it, and it's still climbing. So I'm going to wait for that to come back down. The implied volatility is crazy if I was to enter on something like that. But yeah, there is no time. There's no signs of that happening. It just happened. It's weird. That's what I call that. But the chip makers, even AMD's going ham. So I think I made a decent. I knew they would have a good week this week. A lot of news coming out about them recently. You got to remember too, Trading Fraternity talks about them, so it's going to get a lot of volume on Intel. Tesla premiums are crazy. Yeah, Lowe's is climbing. Home Depot's climbing. So we got to keep all those stocks, you know, like Lowe's and Home Depot, the home builders, just whoop, keep going. Checked out NVIDIA. Oh yeah, you already texted. That's right, you already typed it. Down bad on Lowe's. Well, we're getting a little rally on Lowe's. We're getting a good rally on Lowe's. Let's go. Makes me feel like I should have bought more at 165. So we'll keep our close eyes on. Today, got a little Lowe's rally going. Is Lowe's still a buy? Yes, I think so. I think Lowe's is still a buy. I'm averaging my position down. High rolling, baby. Gonna unload some of these later today to potentially play Zoom 50-50 on it still. You guys are crushing it for real. I mean, you guys are recovering pretty well. Spy went phew. Lowe's went staying still. Everything's just gonna be weird the rest of the day. Even Tesla's half. But it's been a good morning. I hope you guys are having a good morning. I'm having a good morning. Really appreciate 23 you guys being here with 23 likes. That's crazy. Sorry I've been a little silent. I'll get the charts going for tomorrow though, don't worry. Just today I was like, yeah, I'll get there. I'll get to it, you know. was like, yeah, I'll get to it. Never did. Couldn't even imagine. Sky could be. Looking like a $350 day if Lowe's comes back 355. 350 to 5,500. I feel that, Michael. Decent day, I agree. You think there's still time to get into NVIDIA earnings or tomorrow? Oh, NVIDIA earnings are tomorrow? Oh. Oh. Really? I didn't know that. I forgot they're tomorrow. I mean, I don't know because the implied. No, their earnings. It doesn't say they have them tomorrow. No, I lied. Okay, you're fine. You're fine. I don't like Nvidia entry here because even though it's rising, right, the implied volatility is so high. If you enter Nvidia and it drops $3, $2, $5, your position's gonna like get wiped out. Unless you play it really, really far out, but then the premium's super expensive. But it would have been nice to, I didn't enter because that did not line up with the charts the way that I was looking. Just entered. Fun. Gonna sell soon. But man, I missed 80 to 150% gains. Lowe's is 184, so we're hanging out. Size up 470, 2%, which is the big boy money in this play. So I'm pumped here. You got it. Ooh, ooh, you got it. AMD's still climbing. We're up 5%. I entered that. I posted it in the Discord for you guys who didn't see in it. So I'm feeling a little frisky, feeling good today. Or 1.5 now. SPY moves like crazy, not gonna lie. So there's our AMD up 4%, but we played it so small. I just felt like I was missing out on the gains. So I'll sell this pretty soon. Probably just scalp 30 out of it. If I can, Of course, I don't know exactly what's going to happen, but kind of the plan. Just joined the Discord. I just started this investment journey like 2 weeks ago, completely lost a little bit, excited to learn. Your vids are super helpful. Thank you, Tina. I really appreciate it, Tina, for real. I really, really do appreciate it. Spy today. It's a little pricey. Let me know if you entered it with us. Yes, sir. Scott. Times Rejects. It's real scary quick. Now I really appreciate making plays. You know, we're doing well today, so I just want to pay attention. But AMD is cruising, so that's cruising. You got it. You got it. Got in so late. AMD is cruising. Got in so late. Spy, I'm back to break even. Yeesh. AMD came down a little bit. It was up like 20 cents. So yes, what a market. What a day. We'll get a little pullback from Spy, but the trend overall is looking really good. Do you guys want me to check in anything in particular? NVIDIA is still up. It's up another $3. Ooh, I don't think the Spy is correct, this chart that I'm looking at, unless Robinhood's wrong by $1, which I think Thinkorswim, I just need to update it. I was like, what? I was like, who? Hugo's there. Harry Potter. All right, we're up $8 on AMD, just 2%. We were cruising. Started to stop cruising. But yeah, I still like this little setup that we got going by Spy. I think we can see 351 today at some point. I don't know when that will be. Probably closer to power hour. But Mondays are interesting. So we've had such a weird morning with it in general. But we'll continue to watch, you know, Home Depot and Lowe's because we're in Lowe's. I'm gonna send you guys this in the chat. What's your opinion on ODT? Ooh, I'll check it out. I want 350, 250, but the stocks. I'm getting weird vibes. Mm-hmm. You got it. Oh my gosh. I need to send this to the group chat. Yeah, sorry, I was looking at plays and then I gotta send this thing my buddy said into the Discord. Everyone's gonna die laughing. It's so funny. Yeah, Nvidia turned around a little bit. So did AMD. Everything pretty much did. Tesla. But you're okay. ODT. So we'll check out ODT. Therapeutic companies, but if you're talking long term, this might not be a bad play because it is only $16. Seems to have fallen a lot. Did anything? What happened to it? If you know, I don't know much about this company at all because I stay away from therapeutic companies just because they're kind of random to me. But it does look like it took a very large dip last week and is still trying to figure itself out. So it could be a great entry, and it's already down another 10% today. So that, Janice, is my kind of opinion on ODT, and it's just because I'm not a big therapeutics guy, but I wouldn't let that steer you from making a decision. It's just my opinion. I've always just felt like weird playing the therapeutic companies. I don't know if you understand what I'm talking about, because there's a lot of people have different opinions on what they play. So maybe you have a stock or a certain sector that you're like, this isn't me, and that's kind of me with the therapeutic stuff. Same with biotech too, but that's just my opinion. So I think as far as it returning, but you understand what I'm saying. Cool. Yeah, I'm good to know. Or no, I'm good to know. It's good to know that. Thank you. Cost, which is probably Costco. But yeah, that's just my opinion on it. So just because I'm not a therapeutics guy, Costco. I like Costco for playing long term. Their earnings are at the end of the month. So if you had a call for October, I think your money would go and just print. I like Costco, just kind of expansive for me, but I like it overall. I do. I do. DPST's down. Come on, turn around. We're having a good day trading. Oh yeah, you got it. Calm and collect. I gotta send this picture to the group chat. That kills me, bro. Oh man, I just sent a text to the SCD. SCD. Or D. SCD. Choose revenue. On SCD. On Robinhood, it says. Okay, there we go, AMD. You're picking some steam up again. SPY is back to break even. We're literally just going sideways today, right? INTC moves, I like them. I might not buy them until tomorrow because I'm still eyeing up playing Zoom's earnings and I need the funds. Oh, they just took off again. All right, up today. I should have bought their dip. I should have bought them 3 hours ago is what I should have did. Yeah, they're up 60% today. Even the ones in October that I was looking at are up 20%. Yeah, that was definitely the move. I definitely missed it. But I can always hop in now too. Crazy. So I'll keep an eye on them throughout the day. Yeah, they are just printing. They seem to be printing right now. I'm just in my AMD. I'm in my Lowe's. Whew, what a day. What goes up, comes down, goes back up. It's like, what? What a weird day so far. DPST's down, pulling the portfolio down. You got it. Yeah, so I like Intel. I think getting in today is a great idea. A lot of the people that did, my funds have been stretched between, oh no. Ryan, I remember you saying that you bought it. Oh, you bought it for tomorrow and it didn't go through. No, I feel so bad. I really do. Ugh, I feel so bad. Yeah, I missed out too. I mean, I'm up a little bit, but well, it's printing, which is cool. I'm up 8%, and I literally bought it like 20 minutes ago or 30 or something like that. I want to get 50 out of it, and then I'll pull the cash out. I should have loaded up on more, but I'm chill with it. You got it. Lowe's is hanging out. The Depot of Home is just hanging out. Hoping both those get some traction and push Lowe's up. SDC. I cannot find it. Oh, Smile Direct Club. That makes sense. So Daniel, what Ryan was trying to do, he put his limit order, and usually if it hits that number, it'll go through. So I don't know, maybe the contract just got sold to someone else. something like that. Okay. Just found it. Also check INTC out. Incredible. October call. Get lit. What's up, Mikey? Thanks for hanging out, my man. We're watching AMD take off. I got so much in Sqaure right now, it's not even funny. Like, what am I doing with my life at this point? There's so much money in AMD, but we're loaded up in Sqaure right now. We are loaded up in Sqaure. So it's for 2 weeks. I'm gonna be ending the stream pretty soon, but I do want to just like touch base with everybody before the end of the day, before the plays keep going. But I want to hold AMD a little bit longer. Yeah, Intel to play. Yeah, Intel awesome. Jeez, that thing took off too. Still taking off. Thanks for getting me into INTC. I was gonna watch it. Good thing I got it. That's what it's all about. Whoever got you into it, whether it was Skylar or me or whoever, we're just out trying to help each other get better at trading. That's what it's all about. Yeah, Intel is definitely the move, especially if you play that for it's like a $60 call for like November. Oh my gosh, this thing should recover. This thing could recover in a week. It's awesome. But yes, I would play it long. If you're gonna play it at all, play it long. You got it. You got it. Spy. Come on. You're down a little bit. Heading out for the road trip. Nice. Thanks for the stream later this week. Sounds good, Skylar. Have a fun time on that road trip. I'm pretty jealous. That's awesome. That's pretty awesome. I do not have any Apple plays going. I think maybe later in the week, but as of right now, I'm just gonna let the day shake it out, see what happens. I'm liking Tesla though. That's been fun to play because the premiums are affordable for me, and like, dude, it is crazy. I scalped like 200 off of it today, like alone. Let's see if I can find it. I'll show you my orders on it for me scalping it if I can find them. Or is it not going to show me my options? That's weird. Let me see. Investing. But like for real, you guys are helping out so much today. Yeah, there's Tesla. That was 95. So I scraped 95 right there, where I did 955 into 10,000 or 1,040. Then where's my other one? I scalped another. Yeah, right here. Whoops. 1,230, and then I sold that for, or 1,130, sold it for 1,230. So I've scalped 195 off Tesla today, and then I'm watching them, but I'm not doing any long-term stuff on them. Just so scary. AMD. Oh, it turned around. I thought it went up another dollar. I don't know why. When I saw like 90 this whole time. And then Netflix has just been doing whatever. I had that good run this morning, but only sold it for 40 bucks. Was up like 200 on it. Played it big too, and I was just got greedy. But it's just hard to know. What's the play for Intel? So October and November contracts, if you're playing Intel. I like the October ones, like October 16th Looks awesome on Intel. And I've yet to hop in because I have all this money locked up all over the board. I want to free up like my AMD play. I'm up 2% on it. Like I want to free that up, make a little bit of cash. I got my Lowe's calls going and I'm gonna hold those for a bit. But like I got my SPY stuff. I want to play Zoom's earnings, but I don't know if I'm gonna. But I just want to like free up some of my capital. DPST's down even more. So it's like it's dragging the whole account like straight south. So I just got all this money locked up, or I'd be playing INTC right now with everybody. Keep an eye on Novavax. Good news coming out for them, down 7 since open. Okay, yeah. I'm not a big fan of the biotech ones, but I like Novavax. If I had to choose between those, it would easily be Moderna and Novavax, and then everything else is just irrelevant to me. You playing any cannabis stocks? No, I don't. Mainly because it's like if I'm gonna put, because I run a CBD company, so if I'm gonna put any money into any marijuana related company, I'll put it back into my own. Because it's like, why help another like marijuana company? Because I do CBD, I don't do cannabis, right? But it's like, why? I don't know. It just feels like if you owned Apple, like imagine if I owned Apple, right? Or if I was Steve Jobs, it's like, why would I buy Hewlett and Packard and, why would I buy those stocks? I would just want to buy Apple or, like I don't have it's of course not publicly traded, but I just like to put it in different sectors. But yeah, biotech is risky. Yeah, because all news it's crazy. It's all news based. And people love to get FOMO on it. And it's just like, what are you guys doing? Okay. And then they just make random ass plays. And I'm like, all right, whatever. When is my stock going public, Brian? Let me look up how to do that. Because I'd be down. So I know you guys would buy it. How to IPO a stock company. I know a couple like CBD companies are public. I'd be down. I think I would just need more traction first, and then I'd IPO it. That'd be sick. That'd be the craziest thing I've ever done in my entire life. Great Lakes IPO, 100%. See, I was gonna use the ticker GLW like that, but that's already a different stock. So I was like, all right, well, can't do that. That would be a fire ticker. GLW for gosh, that'd be crazy. SPY's looking good. It's at the VWAP right now. So hopefully with SPY at the VWAP, we can get some action going, some green action. Not the other way, so it doesn't fall in. The charts are looking good. Let me check. What was the other one that I'm in? AMD's chart. Probably crazy. So I'm $12 away from executing my AMD position. I just wanted to get in and out, so I didn't feel like I missed any gains today, even though I definitely did. It's this call. Even for the 11th, it's just crazy. It's just crazy. I'll be right back though, and then we're gonna be wrapping up the stream shortly. But I just want to give everyone a brief overview of how I'm playing the rest of the day in a quick second. All right, we're good. We're good. So yeah, AMD, hopefully that's like 5 cents away, $5 away from executing. SPY is at break even pretty much for me after that big dip. The chart's looking good on it. Home Depot's looking bad. Facebook just took off. Oh my gosh. Facebook just lifted off. into the atmosphere. It's crazy seeing it hanging out at 295 like consistently. It's just so weird to see. But DPST's down. AMD's on the rise. We just need literally 6 more cents out of it. My sell executes. So funny. What's up, MC? I'm going to be wrapping up the stream shortly, but I just wanted to give everyone like kind of my opinion on how the rest of the day is moving and kind of like what my plans are. Because we got a lot of stuff going backwards, but also a lot of stuff, you know, making money on the day for people. Facebook just mooned. People will get FOMO. They'll jump all over that. They'll jump all over it for now. SPY 458. So pretty much at my break-even price. Yes, let's get this AMD up there. Let's get it up here so it can execute. Facebook ran to 250 back in July. Exactly, man. Dude, it was crazy. Come on, SPY. Oh, my uncle just made a quick 60 off Facebook, he said. So he hopped in and out, rode that thing up. So that's awesome. Yeah, the ETFs are great, Michael. I agree. Playing SPY, playing ARK, like you're crushing it today. Yeah, but Mikey, I know what you're talking about. It's crazy when it ran, and that was when I actually lost money on that because I played it a week too soon. That's when I got clapped for 700 on Facebook. I was like, okay, should I still trade? Do I know what I'm doing? But I'm glad, like, luckily I regrouped from that. MC said, yeah, we're expecting or 195. I mean, the same, pretty much the same. So I just scalped Tesla all morning, added some more long-term positions. I scalped Netflix for $40, but was up 200 at one point. Yeah, dude, 700. I mean, now that I'm playing with bigger moves, more money, and good stop losses, I've definitely made it back. But oh my gosh, even today alone, like if I would have had a $500 day if I sold Netflix. Well, actually, just kidding. I got to put that $40 into. It'd be like $450 day. When this AMD executes, if I would have held Netflix or sold it earlier instead of holding, everyone felt that. Yeah, that was a tough time. And we're playing the SPY so big too, and the theta's like kind of crazy, but I mean it's not like crazy. So I might unload 1 or 2 of these and then swing the other 4 or 5. I just want to free some money up. I might play Zoom earnings later because they had a crazy run up after their last earnings. If I played it far enough out, I think I'd be okay. It's just I got to lock up like $1,000 into the play. So it's like, just not about that fully. Not fully about it. The SPY should be good pretty soon. I'm excited to see where the rest of these plays move. Home Depot's climbing, so Lowe's should follow. Just got to get Home Depot back up. You got it. Yeah, because Lowe's is looking good too. It's 185. I'm down 29% there, and I'm up on SPY at 0.07%. I'm off tomorrow. Can't wait to join in early. Yes, I will be streaming Market Open. I will be MC, so you'll be able to hang out. We did pretty well today, but I throw a lot of money around. Like I got like 4,000 in plays right now going. So it's like, whoa. Hopefully good power hour today. That's what I'm hoping, Brian. Going to be interesting when the market pulls back, whenever that is. Yeah, and what industries pull back. That's what I'm really curious to see too. That's why I'm so about getting in and out of my plays, because I'm like, this is kind of fishy in like certain positions. But, I'm pretty happy with where the market stands right now. And I'm glad today wasn't outrageous, whether it was wins or losses. It was just a normal day. AMD ran, but like stocks normally run random like this. Well, it wasn't random, but you guys know what I mean. They just run. I'm just glad we're not like a whole sector is like getting crushed or, you know, anything like that. In tech, some tech stocks did good, but others like Microsoft completely got crushed. So it's like a pretty normal day on Wall Street. So it's cool. Oh, Netflix took off. Should have bought. I should have got in. 12:30. It's been taking off for the last 20 minutes. That would have been nice. Lowe's. Once Lowe's hits 165, which I think it will do today, I will be a very excited person. AMD so close to hitting my execution price. We can sell this contract, free up the cash. Home Depot's rising, so Lowe's should not be far behind it. You got it. You got it. Yes, my SPY is in the positive side. Imagine if I didn't average down, if I would have just waited to buy when it dipped and I was like, this is the dip, dude, I'm buying. When I loaded up at like 430 on these contracts that are now like 462, and I bought 3 of them before it dipped, I'd be up like $150. And it's just like, the timing. The timing. Sounds good, man. Have a good day. Got to go back to the custodian grind. I feel that, MC. Peace, my man. I hope you have a good rest of your day grinding. Yeah, that's awesome. Odie crushed it today. You got it. You got it. You got it. Looks like Home Depot is really launching. They're almost to 285. Lowe's is at 164.79. Oh, 164.91 now. Had to update the price. And it looks like our AMD should execute here really soon. I just don't know why it hasn't yet. Maybe it needs more volume. You got it. Yeah, what a day. You got it. Come on, AMD. Come on. Rocket earnings. Ooh, when is it? RKT, baby. Yeah, Rocket's kind of up in the air. When are they? Oh, they're on the 2nd. Ooh, so they're on Wednesday. I'm in with like 1,500 in calls, and now they're gonna kill it. Okay, yeah, I might make a play. If I was to, I would play. Let me see what the September 18th IV on these contracts are. I just wouldn't want to get implied volatility crushed because it's 150%. So I'd probably play it for October. But if you're already in it, you should be okay. It's just if I buy now, it might not be. So yes, maybe I'll make because that's high too. I'm down. I'm down to watch them. I'll play them on Tuesday, tomorrow. I'll grab something to swing. Good. You got it. Ooh, ooh, you got it. I can't wait till my daily thing isn't screwed. Think about it. Yes, sir. Only down 540 in the day now. That's what it's all about, Skylar. I'm glad that stuff's coming back for you. That's awesome. For real. That is good. That's a great thing to hear. Let's go, AMD. You're so close to executing my price. What do I want to sell it for? Yeah. Okay, so we're not far off. Spies at break even for me. It's being a weird. What a goon. AMD's so close to executing, and it did. Okay, so we just scalped 25 off AMD. So I'm gonna let the Discord know. Just sold AMD. Scalped 25 off of it. Watch the AMD just be through the roof. And scalped another 25. What's up, Ben? What could be a longer term one? Maybe October. INTC. I would get in one of these. The 5150 call or 51 call. 1016. I typed it for you so you can check it out, or even maybe later. So if you want to go, and they're dirt cheap premiums too, Ben. So like a couple already up 28% on them. It's crazy. Checking it now. Thank you. Tatir said, you think AMD will hit 92? I just sold it. It's 91.82, so it could, because I sold it. It always goes up whenever I sell. But I just didn't want to get too greedy. I just want to scalp some money off of it. But the charts really can't say, because they're already up so big today that it's hard for me to chart. Unless I look like a month out, it still seems like it's a little high. But man, what a run that is. Holy. If it hits it, geez. That's awesome. But I don't know. I just hopped out because that's how I felt about it, but I could be wrong. All right, thanks, man, Ben said. Yeah, you got it, my man. I'll be hopping off the stream. Jeez, man, AMD is up 7.3% on the day, and I missed it. I mean, I scalped on it, but still, that could have been a straight up like 500 in, and just it hit the housing right now. That's disgusting. That makes me want to vomit. I'm just kidding. It's never hit 92 before, so no one really knows. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Who knows, though? I mean, FOMO, it might right here. It's 9195 on my chart. 9196. I just don't want to make stock trading really dramatic. There you go. 92. All right, everyone can hop out now. There we go. There we go. It did it. AMD big winner today. I'm telling you, it was the #1 thing on my watch list, and I just scalped it and screwed up because I was too busy looking at Netflix, and it totally passed me. And I made money off Netflix and scalped Tesla, so I'm happy today with my gains. But man, AMD would have been the buy and hold. I just don't know if I would have really held it. That's the only thing I'm a little worried about. Come join the Discord. Plus members. Yeah, it's the big win today. It's awesome. I'm just so pumped. You got it. Those are just absolute gains. That's how much it's up today. 4xing your money. Money in that play. I'm just looking at some INTC. Oh, it's climbing. Oh, Netflix did it again. I missed. Oh, are you kidding? Come on. Netflix did it again, and I was not in it. Oh, I knew it. I swear, if this time it takes off to 527, that's where I go just start doing backflips in the yard to calm down. Because I'm like, are you kidding me? Why? Help, send, help, someone, please. HG just crossed 285, so we should see Lowe's start taking off pretty soon. All right, Netflix, why do you do this to me? Why you do this? Yeah, Lowe's is climbing. I'm excited. We're having a good day. AMD did good. I'm going to call the stream here for the day. I got to eat. I have yet to eat anything. It's 1 o'clock. I want to refill my water. I only went through one of these. You guys are crushing it. I'll be in the Discord. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the Discord if you haven't. Lowe's to the moon, up and away. Up and away we go. That's what I'm saying. Let's go to the moon, Lowe's. Come on. The calls are I mean, it's recovered pretty well since earlier, not going to lie. But let's go. Link the Discord. Good idea. I can do that on my phone pretty quickly. Let me link that Discord. You got it. You got it. Discord link inbound. Thank you guys, though, for real. New subs, I really appreciate it. It's just been crazy. I'm going to check my YouTube lives or my YouTube sub count live, and we'll have the charts going tomorrow so we can look at stuff together, be more consistent with it. Oh, that's the public comments. That is not the live chat. There we go. All right, let me know when that goes through. I can see. Okay, there. Yep. So there's the link to the Discord for anyone who's yet to join. I got to eat some eggs today. It looks like AMD is 92.35. I mean, that's straight green candles. I scalped it. Could have made more, but that's all right. Happy to get out of it. Just knowing that I got secure profits, I can add up my profits for the day for you guys. But yeah, dude, I really even wonder what it's looking like right now. I appreciate the support, Michael, for real. SPY is at break even for me this whole time. If Netflix is up, okay, it's not up as much. But I was going to say, if this thing was like gone, I don't even know what I would do. I'd be like, all right, I'm going to head out. So what I sold for $420 on AMD is now worth $438. So I don't feel as, or no, wait, is that $465. Ooh, maybe that's an extra $45. I would have just held, but it's all good. We got more plays going this week. Lowe's is kicking it into high gear. Let's hope Home Depot keeps it up so Lowe's can get more traction. SPY is at break even for me. Hopefully we get a good power hour. Apple just broke 130, so it's up 4% on the day. And Tesla just rallied a little bit more, but that's a scary play at this time of the day. So that's all for me. What's a good long term? It's hard, Zod. There's no such thing as guaranteed profit. I wish that was true, but the airlines are beaten down. Intel's pretty good, but it's SPY's a safe one, Zod for you to play, but there's no such thing as guaranteed profit. Just to let you know. So we made a lot of plays today, made a lot of good call outs. We did really well trading today. SPY, I want to see this pick back up. I have a lot of, yeah, you got it. No worries, Zod. SPY's a good one if you're going to play long term. Pretty much a lot of this stuff is good, but you got to play it really, really long term, like months away if you want what you're looking for, I think. But that's going to be everything for me. I'm glad that you guys made money on AMD today. Let's go Lowe's. Let's go Lowe's. And yeah, that's pretty much all we got going. So I want to thank you guys for being here. I will see you guys in the Discord.